The Amazon Echo Dot Max. It's new, it's bigger, and it's supposed to sound better. Let's check it out. Dave Taylor here, and I'm checking out this. Well, not checking it out yet, but as soon as we open the box, we'll be looking at the Amazon Echo Dot Max Alexa Plus speaker. So it's an Alexa speaker. It works with the rest of your network, but this is the one that guarantees that you're going to get on that Alexa Plus network. What's Alexa Plus? That is the AI-powered, much smarter version of Alexa. So I have already had that for a couple of months, and I really like it. But this is the way you make sure that you get on the early access list. To start, let's open the box. And this is a fully recyclable box, so they're doing a good job of being conscious of their environmental impact. And like so many modern products, you don't have to actually have a knife because it's designed to be opened. Maybe we'll see. And you know, there's nothing to solve. I was just doing it wrong. By having a little cutout here, I was thinking you had to pull a piece out in this direction, but no, works the other way. So open it up, and here we have it. And yes, I have chosen the amethyst, the purple color. So it comes in three colors: amethyst, graphite, and glacier white. And this is the amethyst color, and you can see it's a different design. And it's about 4.3 inches tall by 4.3 inches deep. And so it is mostly a sphere. And let's see what else is in the box. So, ooh, this is a first. They have a matching color charging cable. How nice is that? All the previous colored ones I've received from Amazon had just a simple black charger. That looks like everything in the box. So, as we do so often, we can get rid of the box. So now let's see what we have that was in the box. We have obviously the Echo Dot Max, and we have three booklets. One labeled Echo Dot Max, another one also labeled Echo Dot Max, but this one I suspect is the small legal print, and then one just on Alexa Plus. So it's kind of fun that they're giving us more information about it. And then there's this glorious amethyst charger. I mean, this is so cool. So let's pop off this piece of paper and plug this in so that we're ready to roll. I just happen to have an extension cord here. So that's plugged in. And this is relatively short, as they typically are. This may be a 3-foot cable. And then let's have a quick tour on the front. There is volume up, volume down, and the all-important mute button. So if you push the button in the center, it will turn off the microphone. And you can then, of course, test it by asking it to do something. On the bottom, there is a non-slip surface, but other than that, there's nothing other than a barcode for a serial number. And then the back has this port here, and that is obviously where we're going to power it up. So let's do just that. I'm going to plug this thing in and let's see how it goes. While it's waking up, then this light should go on and such. There we go. So let's see what the little booklets are. So the white one is indeed small print from Lawyers. The light blue one is for the Echo Dot Max. And this is the instructions to get started in English, Spanish, and French. Now, here's what's interesting is that Alexa Plus only speaks English. Alexa actually speaks about a half a dozen languages. So Amazon has said Alexa Plus will become multilingual very soon. But right now, if you speak Spanish in your household, this will not understand you as of yet. But, oh, I think we're waking up.
Hello. This device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in the Alexa app.
Echo Dot Max is ready for setup. All right, I agree to the terms, whatever the heck they are. Connecting, searching for Wi-Fi. I know this is not the most exciting moment. And I'm going to speed things up so you don't have to actually sit and wait the whatever 60 seconds.
I need to download an update for this device. I'll let you know when it's done. While it's downloading, you can keep setting up this device in the Alexa app.
Okay, as with every electronic device that I've purchased or acquired in the last, couple of years, the very first thing it does is an update. What's interesting is that this is hot off the machine press. So I literally only got this 2 days ago, which was its release date. So 2 days after release, they already have an update. But okay, so it's updating. That's the orange is giving us a sort of status note there. Meanwhile, let's go back on the app. So connected to Wi-Fi, it's updating, and let's see what our options are. Which room is your Echo Dot Max in? I'm going to actually have it in my bedroom group. So I'm going to do that. So here, things to know. So tap your device to pause, resume music. So I guess this whole device is a tap sensor. That's interesting. And then you can get ambient temperature in the room. Just say, what is the temperature in the room? That's cool. So this has a temperature sensor, although I don't know exactly why, but that's cool. So we're not going to try that. And hang on, we're getting things ready for you. Done.
The update is complete. You can keep customizing this device in the Alexa app if you're not done yet. When you're ready, let me know how I can help you with your day.
Alexa, what time is it?
Your Echo is ready.
Alexa, what is your name?
My name is Alexa because it's more dignified than Hey Robot.
Okay, so got a little bit of a challenge here because the app is listening to me too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually quit the app. Alexa, what is your device name?
I'm Dave's Echo Dot Max. Nice to meet you.
Alexa, tell me a little bit about your specs.
Well, I'm running on Amazon's finest digital architecture. Though I can't spill all the technical secrets, that's classified above my pay grade.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, tell me all the specs for the Echo Dot Max.
The Echo Dot Max features a two-way speaker system with a high excursion woofer for deep bass and a custom tweeter for crisp highs. It uses AZ3 technology for better conversation detection and has a redesigned body with the Alexa ring of lights on the face. The volume and mute controls are now in an indented center, with a touch control on top for pausing or resuming music.
I guess I paused her, so that's good. So let me tell you some specs. So it's a 0.8-inch tweeter and a 2.5-inch woofer. And one of the other really cool things is it's a smart home hub. So not only does it work with Zigbee and Matter, but it also now supports Thread Border Router. And if you don't know what those are, your next smart home purchases will probably be using one of those protocols. So this is a very capable device, even though it just looks like a speaker. As I said, it does give you Alexa Plus early access. Limitation
Wow,
currently.
You've got some serious specs there.
Yo.
That 0.8-inch
Alexa,
tweeter
stop.
and
Let's mute her so she's not listening and critiquing my commentary. So Alexa Plus early access is only English. And one of the other cool things that they're going to be adding is they're going to allow you to pair these with the Fire TV sticks so that you'll be able to use this as essentially like a mini soundbar. So if you have two of them as a stereo pair on either side of your TV, that's a whole nother level of functionality that's really cool. So it is 1.1 pounds. And what I really want to do is I want to hear some music. All right, I'm ready. So let's actually unmute. And I've already paired it with my phone via Bluetooth because that's the easiest way for me to play general music that's not one of the music services. So it's on the phone. It's going to play through this. Let's hear what it sounds like. I'll point this towards me to get a little better audio effect. And let's turn up that volume. That sounds pretty darn nice. Alexa, pause. And what I find really amazing is that it can hear me over whatever music it's playing, even if the music's really loud. So that's pretty much what I can demonstrate for you. It has all of the features that you would want. Hang on, I'm going to mute. All of the features that you want from Alexa plus all the smarts of Alexa Plus, so I can have conversations with it. I can ask it to give me its opinion on a new movie that's coming out or something. And it's a playback device. So for music, for streaming, for Spotify, for YouTube music, for Amazon Music, all of those, it works beautifully. Now, what I'm eager to do is to pair it with an existing stereo pair of speakers that I have that are previous generations. I'm hoping they'll be compatible, and then I'll have this really nice music setup in my upstairs area. So that's what I got. I think that Amazon just keeps improving on these devices. They're just getting better and better. And I know this is trivial. You're probably not going to ever see it, but I love that this matches the color of this. As I said, it comes in amethyst. You can call this plum if you want, and graphite, which you could call black, and glacier white, which, yes, you can call white. And it is this 3D mesh. I don't think it's a fabric. Well, I guess it is. Yeah, it's some sort of a fabric here. So it has a really nice feel to it. And the design, the new design, very attractive. Simple device. The Alexa app is so powerful and sophisticated now that there's really a whole amazing lot you can do with it. Through this, I can control my thermostat. I can check the status of my front deadbolt. I can turn on and off lights. There's a lot that's under the control of my smart home now, and all of that is instantly accessible by me upgrading this device. So this is one to definitely check out, whether you're already deep in the Amazon ecosystem or whether this is the first opportunity for you to dip your toe in the world of smart homes. So very well done, very nice engineering. I do want to talk about price. Before we get there, I'm going to ask you to subscribe to my channel. Click or tap on that subscribe button. Hit that bell icon for notifications. And if you found this of value, and of course I hope you did, give me a thumbs up. Appreciate that so much. Excellent. This is the Amazon Echo Dot Max Alexa Plus speaker, and it is $99.99 at Amazon.com. If you have a super old Alexa speaker sitting around, they have a trade-in offer that'll drop $20 off if you send the old one back. Not sure that that's worth it, but if it's just sitting there doing nothing, why not get the big upgrade? So that's what I got. Hope to catch you in my next video.